Start by chaining an odd number of chains. Here I'm chaining 23 chains. After you're done with those 23, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet. So we're going to do single crochets all the way to the end. Row 2, chain 2, and those 2 chains count as our first double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way across. When you reach the end, you should have 1 double crochet in every stitch. Row 3, we start the Alpine stitch. Chain 2, turn your work. The chain 2 counts as your first stitch. Yarn over, work a front post double crochet around the next double crochet post from the previous double crochet row. Now make 1 double crochet into the next stitch on the current row. Don't work into the stitch behind the front post double crochet. So we are going to repeat this 2 stitches across the row. So we're going to repeat 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet. Continue repeating until you reach the end of the row. In the last stitch, do a 1 double crochet. Row 4, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we're going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch across. Now we are going to repeat row 3 and row 4 until your project reaches the length you want. The front post double crochets create the raised texture that makes the Alpine stitch so beautiful. It's a great stitch for blankets, scarves, bags, and many other crochet projects. And that's it. Follow for more.